नमस्कार। आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं प्राचिता सिंह, जो कि वाइफ है मेजर सिद्धांत सक्सेना की। साथ ही हम आपको ये भी बता दें, मेजर सिद्धांत सक्सेना इस टाइम पे पोस्टेड है कश्मीर में, और वो लड़ रहे हैं 24/7 टेररिस्ट से। जैसे आप जानते हैं कश्मीर के हालात हैं, और ऐसे में प्राचिता जी हमारे साथ जुड़ी हैं शेयर करने के लिए एक अपनी थॉट प्रोसेस, क्योंकि हाल ही में जो आप जानते हैं एकता कपूर ने एक वेब सीरीज बनाई है आर्मी को एक अपना पॉइंट बना के, जिसमें एक आर्मी पर्सनल की जो फैमिली लाइफ है उसको बहुत ही बेरहमी और क्या कहते हैं एग्जैजुरेटेड तरीके से दिखाया गया है। और साथ ही प्राचिता जी हमें इस पहलू पे नजर डलवाएंगी कि एक्चुअल में आर्मी कि जो फैमिली है उसका जब जो भी हस्बैंड है वो बाहर रहता है तो उसकी फैमिली किस तरीके से जूझती है। तो आइए आपको ले चलते हैं प्राचिता सिंह जी के पास। थैंक यू सो मच एंड वेलकम टू पॉलिटिकल दाव पिच मैम। मेरा सबसे पहला आपसे सवाल कि आप खुद भी एक इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस की रिसर्चर रही हैं और कश्मीर ही आपका भी टॉपिक रहा है, तो काफी चीजें मिलती हैं। आर्मी में आपके हस्बैंड, इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस में आपकी रिसर्च, तो काफी चीजें आपकी मिलती हैं। तो मैम ऐसे में इस सबसे पहला मेरा सवाल कि ये जो वेब सीरीज आई है जिसमें एक आर्मी पर्सनल की पर्सनल लाइफ को, जो कि हम ज्यादा जिस पे टिप्पणी करके मैं एग्जैजुरेट भी नहीं करूंगा, सब लोग जानते हैं कि किस तरीके से उसे एक्सप्लॉइट किया करके दिखाया गया है उसकी वाइफ के ऊपर जो कि पीछे रहती है। तो मैम ऐसे में इस पे क्या आपकी टिप्पणी है, और हाल ही में एफआईआर्स भी हुई हैं, तो प्लीज इसके बारे में हमें अपना कंसेंट दीजिए, अपनी बात रखिए, जो भी आप कहना चाहती हैं।
Thank you, Gaurav. Good morning, everyone, for allowing me to speak on this topic. मेरी रिसर्च जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कश्मीर पे थी, but I think you left out the part where my father is also from the army. So I had a background, I had some knowledge, and since India's biggest irritant, I won't say enemy, but irritant has been Pakistan, who is trying to capture Kashmir on and off repeatedly, and that bleed with 1,000 cuts. I thought I'll take it up and show my exposure, what is the inside story through my thesis, and bring the truth out with people. So being from the army background all throughout, I personally feel that what Ekta Kapoor did was a attack, not just an exaggeration, but an attack on our culture. I would say we have a very distinct culture within army. We are always there for each other, and we are raised by very strong women who due to certain circumstances the fathers are usually on duty, and we are independently mostly raised by our mothers. And if you have seen the graph, many army kids have done very well in life. So we have those kind of qualities which make us stand apart: the perseverance, the resilience, and outgoing confidence. So raising a child is not easy, Gaurav. I'm sure a lot of mothers agree with me. Raising a child with both the parents is very difficult, and doing it all alone. Most of them are working. My mother was working. I am working. So I don't think we have the time, and I don't think Ekta Kapoor really did her research on this topic, because she was mostly looking for a drama or masala to make her thing get a hit. But I'm very pained in this part that she should have done the research. Why I'm saying that is, she has no background about this. She does not know what is happening. My husband is on the border. If he tells me 1 minute that I'm going for an operation, I don't know if he's coming back. I don't sleep all night. Recently, I had a friend martyred, Major Anand Sood. You think after all that cry of we should avenge and may his soul rest in peace, you think anybody on this India went up to his wife and said, do you need something?
मैम मैं यहाँ थोड़ा सा इंटरप्ट करूंगा विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, एंड इट इज वैलिड एज वेल एज वी हैव सीन द सिनेरियो. So I would like to ask you that ये फिल्म जो है बनी है, इसके लिए आर्मी की तरफ से ही वीडियोस भी आई हैं और बहुत ज्यादा एक तरीके से रिबेलियन रिएक्शन है ऑब्वियसली इस चीजों को देख करके कि ये एक एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए स्टंट यूज किया है, जिसमें एक आर्मी का जो हमारे देश का एम्बलम है उसको यूज किया गया है, राइट। और साथ में एक ऐसी सिचुएशन में एक लेडी को दिखाया गया है जिसका हस्बैंड जो है बाहर है और वो किसी गैर मर्द के साथ उस अपने टाइम को फुलफिल करती है, राइट मैम। in terms I am talking about everything what is
yes,
in that trailer, and this is obviously एक woman की
yes,
अपनी dignity है, and this is why the criticism मेरे को ये जानना है, क्योंकि ये एक पर्टिकुलर पे नहीं, सारी वुमेन्स पे जो आर्मी पर्सनल की हैं सबको ही इसी तरीके से दिखाया गया है। एक का ऑप्शन नहीं, दो का ऑप्शन नहीं, तीन का ऑप्शन नहीं, ना किसी का पर्सनल, सब वुमेन को एक तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है। और उसके बारे में मैम ये एग्रेशन है, तो इसके बारे में आपकी ऑब्वियसली आप भी हमने जब आपसे बात किया तो आपका भी एक तरीके से इस पे एग्रेशन था और आपने उस चीज को जताने के लिए आप हमसे जुड़े, तो मैम वो एग्जैक्टली वो एग्रेशन क्या है उसके बारे में प्लीज मेरे को थोड़ा सा इस जो पर्टिकुलर मैंने आपसे डिस्कस किया इसके बारे में बताइए मैम प्लीज।
गौरव एक बात बताइए, हम गुस्से में क्यों ना हो, हमारा एग्रेशन क्यों ना हो? As part of the organization of army, it's not just the husbands who are going on duty. We are also sacrificing a lot. We are staying back and we are doing everything in our will or strength that they feel कि उनको घर के बारे में चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है, right? We are kind of those pillars, those unseen pillars जो कि नहीं सामने आते, but we are also facing problems, right? तो हमें गुस्सा क्यों ना हो? आप एक बार बिना रिसर्च करे सब पे इल्जाम लगा रहे हो। दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाई आई सेड शी इज अटैकिंग आवर कल्चर। वी आर नॉट दैट वे। एंड अगर एक दो केस हो गया तो वी आर नॉट समवन जो जिस पे आप जनरलाइज करके इल्जाम लगा दें, ऐसा नहीं है।
तो मैम आपका कहने का मतलब ये है कि मैम सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, आपका कहने का मतलब ये है कि ये जो मूवी बनती है, जो भी हम पब्लिक अपना जो एक एंटरटेनमेंट का मीडियम है जिससे एक हम दिखाते हैं कि सोसाइटी में क्या चल रहा है, तो इस मूवी के माध्यम से उन्होंने सारी आर्मी पर्सनल्स की जो फैमिली है उन्हें एक ही दायरे में लपेट दिया है, एक ही कटहरे में लाके खड़ा कर दिया है। एम आई राइट मैम? यही कहना चाह रही हैं आप?
Yes, she has been generalizing and very wrongly in a very bad light.
तो मैम मेरे को आपसे अब ये पूछना है कि कैसे, जैसे आपने बताया हम पीछे सेक्रीफाइस करती हैं, ऑब्वियसली एक बंदे के साथ जो है सेक्रीफाइस आप कर रही हैं और कईयों के साथ बच्चे भी जुड़े हुए हैं, कईयों के साथ माँ बाप भी जुड़े हुए हैं, तो ऐसे में मैम ये जो सेक्रीफाइस है नो डाउट पता नहीं होता कि वो जो सोल्जर है वो वापस आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, वो ड्यूटी पे है, कुछ भी हो सकता है। तो मैम ऐसे में जो नॉर्मल सोल्जर्स भी हैं हमारे, उनको भी एक तरीके से उनके ऊपर भी अटैक किया गया है, हर किसी को, खाली ये मेजर लेफ्टिनेंट एंड जो सूबेदार रैंक तक भी नहीं है, जो जनरल सोल्जर है एग्जैक्टली। सो मैम उसके बारे में क्या कहना है आप? वो उनकी लाइफ किस तरीके से गुजरती है जब एक उनका बच्चा या पति जो है वो बाहर सरहद पे रक्षा करने के लिए होता है, तो उनकी लाइफ और उस टाइम उनका मानसिक स्थिति क्या होती है? एज अ आर्मी लेडी यू माइट बी एबल टू टेल इट इन अ राइट वे, प्लीज टेल दैट।
गौरव, मैं तो अभी बच्चे नहीं है मेरे, बट जो अभी बैक टू बैक 2 CEOs की डेथ हुई है, एक लद्दाख में और एक वो कश्मीर एनकाउंटर में, उनके 2 छोटे बच्चे थे। Could you really tell them that they're not going to see their father again? And you think they signed up for this? It is not possible, you know. बच्चे छोड़ो, हम क्या पूरे टाइम यही सोचते रहते कि आज आएगा कि नहीं? हमारा दिल बैठा रहता है, हम पूरी रात नहीं सोते सिर्फ ये सोच के कि बस वापस घर आ जाए। That encounter जिसमें one of my friends passed away, it started in the afternoon and next day it was declared by the news that the operation has taken 5 lives. आप बताइए वो लेडी सो पाई होगी रात को? ऐसा नहीं होता। And the what pains us is you people generalize it and attack it, and 2 दिन बाद nobody wants to talk about it. क्यों? Half of the news just says 5 soldiers killed. No, darling, they are martyred. There's a difference, and there are 2 words with different meanings. I don't know why people just do that. And I've been on social media. I've had arguments with my friends where they talk, people are dying of starvation, and that's a bigger problem. No, a death is a sacrifice, and we did not sign up for this. We are protecting the borders. That is not part of the duty. We just do it out of to keep everybody safe. And Ekta Kapoor, when she attacked the army organization, she's attacking the protectors of the nation. Would she attack her own bodyguards like that?
Right.
No, I don't think. We are the people who are protecting everybody, and I don't think she should attack any of the people from army like the way she did. And as far as struggles are concerned for us, I don't know what to say to you, which makes people more sensitive towards us. But there is a dire need for the general public to be more respecting and sensitive towards the soldiers. Not us, chalo hame to chodo, but हम तो अपने जो ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं, प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तुम्हें उनको तो रिस्पेक्ट दो. I see so many times I did not get leave from my work because my employer could not give me 10 days of leave when my husband was coming back after 6 months. In those 6 months, Kashmir mein Article 370 revoke ho gaya tha. For days at end, I could not talk to him. I could not hear his voice. I didn't know what was happening, what he's going through. And aise time pe, let's talk about something that is more concerned with Ekta Kapoor in recent scenario. She has been accused again of nepotism in the industry, I guess.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So, and her reply was, I launched Sushant Singh Rajput, so I cannot do that. Let me tell you, with the projection that she has shown about the army woman, if some soldier comes and sees, for some reason he already suspects it, you think he'll be able to do his duty back with all his mind and all his focus?
Right.
It will be there in his mind. And how he takes it, suppose he commits a suicide out of it, is she responsible? Will she be held responsible for this? She has put that seed of suspicion in his mind. He had to go through a lot of mental pain because of that. Will she be held responsible for this? I don't think so. She'll just walk out. She won't even give a damn about the family. Then who is she to say anything? I understand everybody has a freedom of expression, but since you are attacking an organization which is protecting the borders, I think this calls for sedation. This is abuse of freedom of expression.
Any sort of pains you have heard in this scenario, like from your peer groups, going through this particular web series? Any sort of pain or something you have heard that some sort of things have happened seeing this scenario? Any soldier's wife doing certain things? Because people like to know, and you're being a woman, you are a better person to tell that, and you are respectful as well, because you are a responsible person's wife who is dealing and protecting our borders. Please say something about that if you know.
Gaurav, since you very kindly said that I'm a very responsible and very respectful person, I'm just one amongst the many. We are all very respectful, and we know not to lash out in public like that. But obviously there is an underlying aggression, and someone has done the FIR where they've said that she has disrespected not just the women of army, the men of army, but also the emblem. She had gone that far. She has no love for her own country and the things that define our nationalism towards it and patriotism. So I don't think we would want to indulge in someone like her, firstly, into a verbal battle or whatever legal battle. We are not interested. What we want is for people to not believe her. That is what we want. The masses to wake up and stop believing such things.
Right.
And I don't think, I spoke to a few friends of mine about this, and they were all about this only. Ki this should be banned. This should really, hers has to be taken off, but this really has to be banned, that you show army in a very bad light. This can't be tolerated, right? If
I would like to say
someone else is attacked,
I would like to say not army, but or armed forces, because every armed forces
yes.
and armed personnel is for a any time he's basically for a sacrifice for a country, for a nation, for a state in a country. So it's like that. So I think you will agree with the statement.
See, I again say yes, you are very right. All armed forces. My brother is in the Air Force. He's not protecting the border, but since everybody was working from work from home, last 3 months, because even in this high risk of pandemic, he has been in the office till 12 and 2 o'clock in the night, trying to evacuate people, and lots of programs have been dealing on. We already thought that there might be disturbances from the border, so dealing with that, a lot of army had to be deported along the borders, like you had seen in the China news.
Yes.
More of army had to be deployed. So all of the armored forces are doing their bit, and they are more than essential workers. Let me tell you, essential workers, there was a huge cry, and our own CDS said that we have to throw flowers to appreciate them. Who is
Right.
throwing flowers to appreciate us?
Yes. I instead they are making some vulnerable movies to show the
Yes.
life of a woman of armored personnel. So very right. Thank you so much for being with us. And ये थी प्राचिता सिंह, जो कि मेजर सिद्धांत सक्सेना की वाइफ हैं, जो कि इस टाइम पे तैनात हैं कश्मीर में। और उनका आपने एग्रेशन देखा है कि हाल ही में एकता कपूर की वेब सीरीज को लेकर के किस तरीके से जो वाइफ्स हैं उनका क्या रिएक्शन है, और क्या असलियत में वो ट्रॉमा से गुजरती हैं जब उनका हस्बैंड जो है तैनात होता है मौत और जिंदगी के बीच टेररिस्ट से लड़ता हुआ।